Best Bites Forever.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Best Bites Forever. Today is June 10th and it is also National Iced Tea Day. So today, to celebrate, I am making some Thai iced tea. I have a few ingredients here. It's pretty simple to make. This is the type of tea that I like to use. There are other brands available, but this is the one I'm using. I also have some sweetened condensed milk along with some evaporated milk and some plain white sugar. So I have my water back here and it is ready to go. It is nice and hot and I've brought this to a boil. Turn that off. Okay, so I'm just going to remove my water from the heat. And here I have, this is a tea sock. You can also actually use these to make coffee, and I have a nice pretty new one for this video. But of course once you use it, it's not going to stay nice and pretty anymore. I'm using 2 teaspoons of the tea per 8 ounces of water. And what you want to do is just kind of steep it in here. So it's definitely better if you pour the water over top of the tea, but I don't like to do dishes, so I decided to just go ahead and use my pot. But once you get the tea down in there like so, it really doesn't matter. And then you just kind of want to do this kind of deal. Move it around a little, up and down, in and out. And let the tea soak in here for anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how strong you like it personally. I'm going to let mine steep for about 4 minutes, and then I'm going to bring you back. Okay, we are back, and it has been 3 or 4 minutes. I didn't exactly time it, but if you look at my tea here, it has this really beautiful dark color to it now. So I'm ready to remove the tea sock and just put it over here to the side. We are all finished with that. And now I want to make an attempt at pouring 1 cup into here. I've already made a couple of glasses here. As you can tell, we were doing a little bit of sampling. So here I'm going to do 1 cup of the tea mixture, and that has the sugar in it. I did 1 teaspoon of sugar per cup of tea. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some sweetened condensed milk. This is completely optional. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in mine because I love, love, love sweetened condensed milk. It is delicious. And I want to give that a nice little stir. Do you see my tea changing color? You get that nice and mixed in there, and my tea, of course, is going to turn into that really beautiful kind of carrot juice orange that it turns into. So, so yummy and delicious. And then I have my cup of ice right here ready to go. I'm just going to pour that straight over it, which is going to kind of, dilute the concentration there. Of course, if you drank that just like that, it'd be way, way too sweet, so you don't want to do that. And I'm just going to add a little bit of evaporated milk right on top. That gives it a really nice, rich creaminess, and this is ready to go ahead and enjoy. And it is absolutely delicious, completely refreshing for a day like this where it's 110 degrees. I hope y'all love the video. Give the recipe a try. And of course, if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe now. Ring the bell for notifications. I will see you in the next video. Happy Iced Tea Day and happy cooking. Bye, everyone.
BestBitesForever.com